Hi all, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to create 3D text in Photoshop. First of all, select Text tool and type any letter as your wish. Make it bigger font size. Here I set 166 point and bold. Now right click on the text layer, the scroll down to bottom and choose New 3D Extrusion from the layer. Click Yes to continue. Now text layer is converted to 3D layer. You can adjust extrusion depth by adjusting this handle. Now we have to add texture to this text. For that, change selection to front inflation material, then go to Properties window and click on the folder icon near the diffuse color. You can see drop-down menu when you click on it. Choose Load Texture from these options. Now select the file from your local directory. Now texture is applied on the front portion. But we have to apply extrusion area too. For that, select extrusion material and repeat the same process what we have done earlier. Now texture is applied on all area. But when you zoom it, you can see texture not applied properly on extrusion area. To fix this issue, set texture mapping value to tile. To see final output, click on the render icon on the bottom of Properties window. It will take few minutes, depends on your graphics card. This is my final output. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Please subscribe my channel to get latest updates.